Yep. Alright.
Decided that.
I like to use a babeless comb. There you go. Babeless comb. Flat top combs. Or the all-purpose comb. So, back at it. Pretty simple fade. All I was just doing was cleaning it up. This is a one guard. One guard. I'll just make a small line here. All the way open too. One open, one open. That way I won't take too much off. Just to keep me it dark. Keep it dark right there. This is my great model. This is also my son. So he's helping me. He volunteered his wonderful time from his playtime with his sister to stay in the barbershop with me so I can cut his hair because I had to cut it. I haven't cut it in a while. So when I get to that side, I'll turn to him. I bend his hair up, guys, to get it out the way. If you want to learn how to cut kids' hair. I've been cutting hair for a while now, so. All right. So y'all can see. I did 2 steps. This is step 3. Step 3. Open. Open. You gotta be patient, trying to take your time to get up in there. Can't rush it. And that's all I'm doing, making another line in the fade so I can blend it later. Close, right here. I always use JRL. Pretty good clipper. Still in the barbershop. I did work today. So now you guys new to the channel, like and subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. That's why y'all hear the music in the background. I got some Sonos speakers in here. Now I go 1, put another 1 guard on it, guys. Wall 1. Open. And all you're doing is trying to get lines out of the fade. That's all. You're just trying to get lines out of the fade. That's all we're doing. If you're more advanced, you can do it that way. If you're more for some beginners. So this right here is a half guard. I always call it a little gray guard. You're just starting out. This guard right here can take out lines. It's like a blending. It's like you can blend stuff out of it. So now you guys can see the blend starting to come in. This is how he usually like his haircut, guys. You always hold the comb up like this, pin the hair up. Any questions, guys, drop in the comments below. I know, but they're gonna be up there. Maybe. So, I'm about finished with this side, guys. If the scalp is a little white, it's okay. You can just brush it away. That just means it's a little dry. I haven't cut his hair in a while. So, you can always brush that away. I like to use a baby brush. Always comb it down. I always use a big clip too, 'cause you got a lot of hair. Okay. I'm about done with that side, guys. I'm about done with that side. Now, you can move your clips to the other side. How you doing, man?
Doing good. If I bring little man next week early, can he get a haircut?
Yeah, what time early?
He's got 5:45.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, because every time we come by, he's like, "Hey, can I get a haircut here?" I'm like, "Sure, we'll ask."
I got him, man. How old is he?
He is 4.
Oh yeah, nice.
What do you say?
She's 5, man. He's 8.
I got an 8-year-old and a 4-year-old. So.
Oh yeah, we about the same.
I'm a 12-year-old.
8-year-old. Yes, right. Sissy's 12. 4, 8, 12. That's it.
Oh yeah, I'll take care of him, man.
Man, what do
Anytime.
you say?
Thank you.
All
No
right.
problem, man.
Good
Anytime.
deal. Have a good weekend.
You said next week, what day?
This is Thursday. We come here every Thursday before.
Gotcha.
Guys, this is
5:45. Sorry, guys, that was a client. It's a swim school beside. So, this is what we're gonna do. 0 open. 0 open. 0 open. No. Yeah, like he falling asleep on me what he is. Huh? He haven't had a haircut in a while. But I'm trying to cut him. This is a 1 guard, by the way. 1 guard. If it's white, it's okay. It's not a biggie. Use a 1 guard, guys. Use a 1 guard to make sure you don't plug them. Like gap them up. Huh? Yeah. Alright. Now for the good. I like this part. It's one of my favorite parts. It's the edge up part. Take the clip off the back. I usually try to use 2 clips. The edge up, guys. Most important part. So pay attention. We're near the end of the haircut. And I only faded them on the side. So, make sure you use a 1 guard, 1 guard. Look at this 1 guard, JRL clipper, 1 guard. Go down on it. Always cut with the grain. With the grain means how it grows. Oh! Bro fell asleep. All right, man, let me get back to it. Back to it. Always hold your comb in your left hand. And I brought them here to the barbershop with me. Oh, see, if he moving, that's a no-no.
We had school today.
These are some Babyliss trimmers. Babyliss. Baby Bliss. Babyliss Pro. Cordless. These clippers, pretty sharp. Just stay on the outside edge, guys. Don't try to go to that side if you're not standing on that side. Look, the best time to cut a kid hair, especially if they don't sit still, is when they sleep. But these clippers are pretty sharp, so you don't use much pressure when you're shaping people up. And I'm only gonna worry about this side. I'm only on this side, guys. Only on this side. So now, boy, his hair almost got cut off. Better be glad I'm quick. So back, what I'm doing now, I'm just tapering it out back here, guys. Tapering it out. Taper. Really popular haircut, taper style. Can you guys see that? So yeah, that's one side. Now let's get to the other side. So when you get to the other side, always cut what you can see. If you can't see it, don't cut it. I can't see that right now. Always cut what you can see. Now, I'm on the left side. And I always check on my arm to see how sharp my clippers are, but these are not that sharp. But they are zero gap. I can show y'all how to do that in another video. Don't worry about the zero gap stuff right now. The zero gap stuff is what gets it sharp. What gets it sharp. Okay. Always turn your client facing forward. It's gonna look crazy at first, but you gotta straighten it up. And always look at your client, I'm straightening him up. Straightening up his hairline. Making it sharp. Now, I come to the other side. Straighten them up on this side. It's like putting a rough draft up there with my other trimmers. And now, what? What? I don't know. Around the ears, guys. Always be careful going around someone's ears, especially a child. Do not use sharp clippers around the ears. You can easily cut a kid on the ear. Don't turn his ear to slice Swiss cheese. Unless you really comfortable with it, but don't use too many sharp clippers on your kid. Okay. Are we straight? Now I gotta check it. Always check the points, the boxes, and always put your thumb there to protect the child. especially kids. And I would do the same thing on this side. Always put your thumb here to protect the kid. I did wash his hair before this. Now I'm going to straighten it up.
I'm over here cleaning the sink, that baby.
And I'm almost done. Now, we ready to rock and roll. Now we can hit the finishing touches. We got one more step. One more step. Okay, this right here.
Daddy, people ask you how we're doing that.
Yep. This next step. This next step is the one finishing touches. I got a business card with my logo on it. It's a barber trick. To the side, I use this. This is a topic pump. Move this hair out of the way. Oh, my bad. Safely remove that. Get the hair out of the way. You gotta move the hair out the way. This is gonna make it pop, guys. Watch this trick. Close your eyes, big dog. Ooh, watch that. Pop. That's how you make it pop. I'm gonna show y'all again on this side. Business card. The applicator and topic. Fibers. Air illusion fibers. Hair fibers. Barber trick. Okay. Just lightly, lightly, lightly. Lightly. Okay. Now, you sharpen it up with the light ones, not the sharp ones, but the ones that's not as sharp. But they still hit. They gotta hit. But if yours don't hit, that's okay, but use the light ones. Only do one side at a time. One side at a time. One side at a time. One side at a time, dog. Okay. Pretty sharp. Now, when you get done, this stuff right here, it's a trick. Might sting him a little bit, but he'll be okay. Usually I do this to calm him down. Blow dryer, cold air. Cold air. All right. Now, we're getting to the end of the haircut. Gotcha. So now, you got a whole new cool kid look. He's ready now. Make sure you remove that hair from him. Now, y'all see that. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like and subscribe. This is the end of the video. Thank y'all. Alright, like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Comment. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, what y'all want to see next. Peace.